So highlighting relevant experience and skills. So I'm going to sound like a broken record, but always tailor your CV to the job that you're applying for. Make sure that you're reading the job descriptions and that you're using the same keywords all throughout the CV. Make sure that you're using bullet points to highlight those relevant experiences and makes it easier to find and read and understand. Use numbers to quantify your achievements and show the impact of your work. For example, I managed a team of 10 people and increased productivity by 20%. Again, keep it concise. Recruiters usually have only a few seconds to scan a CV, so make sure that the most important information is relevant and easily viewed. Use action verbs such as managed, created, implemented, delivered to show what you have accomplished. And lastly, show relevant achievements. So highlight relevant achievements that demonstrate your skills, experience, such as awards, certifications, and successful projects. So let's take a